In this video, we're going to talk about the Texas murder statute, which is found in section 19.02 of the Texas Penal Code. In 19.02b, a person commits an offense if he, then there are three circumstances or definitions in which the murder statute is satisfied. So we're going to go over each of those really quickly. So 19.02b1, a person commits an offense if he intentionally or knowingly causes the death of an individual. And this is what we typically think of when we think of murder, somebody intentionally causing the death of another person. So 19.02b2, a person commits an offense if he intends to cause serious bodily injury, commits an act clearly dangerous to human life that causes the death of an individual. So this is a circumstance in which somebody doesn't necessarily intend to cause death, but does do something dangerous that leads to a death. Instead of allowing for a defense of manslaughter or aggravated assault, we classify it as murder. You did something that was dangerous, caused the death of an individual. As long as you intended to do the dangerous thing, it doesn't matter if you intended to produce the result. And then third, 19.02b3, sometimes referred to as felony murder. A person commits an offense of murder if during the commission of a felony, and this includes an attempt to commit a felony, flight from committing the felony. But if the person commits a felony and in furtherance of that felony commits an act clearly dangerous to human life that causes the death of an individual, that also satisfies our murder statute. So for 19.02b3, an example might be something like speeding away from a bank robbery, intentionally running red lights with heavy pedestrian traffic. You might not intend to run over someone, but if you did, instead of that being a manslaughter charge because you were reckless, because you're doing it in the commission of a felony, it would be murder under 19.02. We'll make just a side note in that definition of 19.02b3. It does say in the commission of a felony other than manslaughter. So we don't have an automatic way to elevate manslaughter to murder simply because it is also a felony.